Welcome! In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create your account and join Club Avalanche. To get started, select Sign Up and create your account using your email address. Once you've completed registration, you'll receive a verification email. Open your inbox, locate the email, and click the verification link to activate your account. After verifying your email, return to the application and log in using your account details. Your account is now successfully created. Next, let's fund your account so you can join Club Avalanche. If you're familiar with cryptocurrency, head over to your Bruno crypto wallet and transfer USDT or USDC from any external wallet. Once the funds arrive, you can easily swap your USDT or USDC into BRT directly within the wallet. If you're new to crypto, no problem. Simply go to the shop section where you can purchase BRT directly. Make sure your purchase amount matches your selected Club Avalanche membership level and choose one of the preset purchase amounts that corresponds to your preferred tier. After selecting your amount, click Buy Now. From here, you can complete payment using Apple Pay or by entering your debit or credit card details. Once your purchase is complete, you'll receive an email containing your coupon code. Copy the coupon code from your email, then return to the Bruno application. Navigate to the coupon activation section, paste your code and activate it. Your purchased BRT will now be deposited directly into your wallet balance. Now that your account is funded, you're ready to join Club Avalanche. First, retrieve your referral code. Then continue to the Club Avalanche section, select your desired membership level, and enter your referral code to complete your registration. Welcome to the club. Your Club Avalanche membership is now active. You'll now receive your own personal referral code, which you can share with others to begin building your network and earning through referrals. You can also monitor and track your referral network directly from your dashboard. As a Club Avalanche member, you also receive 3 free weekly entries into the $100,000 lottery draw. You can either select your own numbers manually or use Quick Pick to generate numbers automatically and claim your free ticket. You can also view all submitted tickets and check your results to see if you have a winning entry. Thanks for watching and welcome to Club Avalanche.